Our today activity is how to determine angle of incidence and angle of reflection. For this experiment, we will use a apparatus in the form of semicircle made of glass. We will use thumb pin, a drawing paper, drawing board, a laser light, and then we will use a measuring protector, lead pencils, and then a scale. First of all, we are going to draw the diagram of this semicircle. Up before this, we will center the midpoint. There will be a line drawn here that is equal to the length of semicircle, and then we will mark a central point by measuring the point here. We will mark the center of this line of semicircle here, that is mark in the form of a dot or a line. Then we will draw the diagram by drawing the diagram of semicircle. After making the drawing of semicircle, we will again draw a perpendicular, that is a line making an angle of 90 degree. Right now, you can place back your apparatus semicircle on its drawn diagram. Now we are having a light in the form of laser light. We are going to determine the angle of incidence, that is the angle when the light falls on this apparatus, and then light reflect back on the other side, that will be called as angle of reflection. So today measurement is angle of reflection and angle of incidence. So we will start our activity. I'm holding a laser light in my hand. As you can see, when I pass the laser light, it has got 3 points. One point is here at the point of incidence, and second point is on this mark which we have marked as perpendicular. You can see the light on my finger here. Here's a light dot or point, and your third point is here. You can see at my finger. The third point I am pointing right now is angle of reflection. So here you can see the light here in the form of, see the light here in the angle of incidence, that is perpendicular point, and then the angle of reflection. After passing the light from this, we will mark 3 points. First point is your angle of incidence mark, and then perpendicular, and then angle of reflection. You can see the light flickering here. It shows you the angle of incidence. We will mark all of these points: angle of incident, angle of reflection, and then perpendicular here. Make sure all of these points will having a specific angle, which after measurement will show you the same value. If you have got same value of angle of incidence, angle of reflection, after passing or striking to perpendicular, then you have got same accurate value of angle of incidence and angle of reflection. So that was determination of angle of incidence and angle of reflection by using laser light, on drawing paper and semicircle. So we will move off and then we will determine the value of angle of incidence by joining these point and then this incidence side, and then we will measure the angle on both of these sides by placing a protector over here. Let's see, over angle here is angle of incidence is equal to, right here, angle of incidence is equal to 50 degree and angle of reflection is also 50 degree. So your angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, that is 50 degrees equal to 50 degree. So that was determination of angle of incidence and angle of reflection. Thanks for watching.